There are 5 things women secretly dislike during sex, and most men have done at least one without realizing it. Everything feels perfect. She's moaning, moving with you, breathing in sync. The chemistry feels right, the rhythm feels perfect, and then suddenly, something shifts. You do something that feels natural, a word, a move, a change, and the energy drops. She goes quiet, her body tenses, and that effortless connection fades before you even understand why. Here's the truth most men never hear. You're not doing anything wrong on purpose. You're not selfish. You were simply never taught how women's arousal really works, physically, emotionally, or psychologically. And that misunderstanding quietly ruins connection more than anything else. I'm Dr. Zara Vale, and after years of studying women's sexual health and listening to their honest experiences, I've noticed the same 5 complaints come up again and again. These 5 mistakes destroy intimacy, kill desire, and make women feel unseen, even when a man deeply cares. Let's start with the first one, rushing into penetration. Most men treat foreplay like a warm-up. But to a woman's body, foreplay isn't the warm-up, it's the main event. It's what activates every part of her arousal system. Her body needs time to fill with blood, her muscles to relax, and her brain to switch from self-consciousness to surrender. Skip that, and you skip the very process that allows her to feel pleasure at all. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine confirms that women require more time for full physiological arousal, averaging around 20 minutes of stimulation before reaching peak readiness. When you rush, she might act interested, but her body hasn't caught up yet. Slow down, tease her, let anticipation build until she's reaching for you. The second mistake is going straight for her genitals. Even men who value foreplay often make this error. They think that touching her clitoris right away is the fastest way to please her, but it's often the opposite. The female genital area contains over 8,000 nerve endings, far more than the penis, and when touched too early, it can feel jarring or even uncomfortable. What women want is to feel like their entire body matters. When you move too fast, it feels mechanical. When you move with patience, it feels personal. She feels desired, not handled. The third complaint is about roughness, not aggression, but unawareness. Many men don't realize how strong they are, and a grip that feels light to you might feel intense to her. A thrust that seems passionate might feel harsh. Even women who enjoy intensity usually need gentleness first. It's not about avoiding passion, it's about building trust so that passion can exist safely. When she feels safe, her body naturally invites more intensity. That's real surrender. The fourth mistake is being too rough with her genitals. This is one of the most common and damaging errors. Many men unconsciously copy what they've seen online, assuming faster or harder equals better. But the reality is the opposite. The clitoral and vulvar tissues are extremely delicate, filled with microcapillaries that respond best to gradual pressure. When you go too fast, it can cause overstimulation or pain, even if she doesn't say it. Always start softly. Notice how her body responds and adjust based on her breathing, her movement, and her tension. When you listen to her body, you'll never need to guess. And finally, the fifth mistake, trying too hard to make her orgasm. It sounds noble, but it's one of the most destructive habits in bed. The moment your focus shifts to making it happen, her brain moves from pleasure to performance. She starts worrying about how long she's taking, whether she's disappointing you, or if she's reacting the way you expect. According to research from the Archives of Sexual Behavior, performance pressure significantly reduces women's ability to climax. The best way to help her reach orgasm is to stop trying to make it happen. Focus instead on helping her feel relaxed, safe, and connected. When her nervous system feels accepted, her body opens naturally, and the orgasm that follows is deeper, longer, and far more satisfying. When you avoid these 5 mistakes, everything changes. She relaxes. Her body trusts you. She begins to respond with an unguarded passion that you can feel in every breath. Great sex doesn't come from tricks or pressure. It comes from presence. From your ability to make her feel seen, understood, and safe. Next time, don't rush to the finish line. Make the entire process the goal. Look at her, Breathe with her and let her feel that you're there not just to perform, but to connect. That's what builds real chemistry. That's what keeps her coming back, not just to your bed, but to your energy. Remember this. The best sex doesn't start with skill. It starts with awareness. When you understand her body, her timing, and her cues, everything changes. It's not about how good you are. It's about how safe she feels. And when she feels safe, that's when she truly lets go.